lasers, and blasting equipment. When cleaning heavy rust, can set different parameter each time for repetitive clean. Compared to continuous laser clean, pulsed laser has higher energy density and have better melt-through ability to metals. Can completely remove rust stains on workpieces. After cleaning, the material of the workpiece is revealed. Then use continuous laser to clean on same workpiece. Due to the sustained and highly concentrated energy of continuous laser, after cleaning, surface of the workpiece is carbonized and appear black. You can see rust isn't completely removed and substrate is damaged.